You know what time it is. I think it's time for a evening snack. Now, this particular snack can be taken in the evening or in the morning for lunch. It's really the perfect snack. Here's what you do. You take a whole bunch of graham crackers. You got to make a sound while you crush them. And then you just crush them in half. And I've got some left. I've got that much left. So, if you look, it's about that much. That much. Okay? And so, what do? You're like, what are you doing with these graham crackers? This is how you're supposed to eat graham crackers, people. This is the way it's supposed to go. You take the milk, you pour it over the graham crackers, and it will soak in on the graham crackers. You can use any type of milk. It could be almond milk. It could be regular milk. 2% skim. Doesn't really matter. And now here's the important thing. Some people might say, well, Adam, there you go. Go ahead and eat it. Oh, no, people, you fools. You cannot eat it while the crackers are still hard. It's not called crunch crunch. It's called mush mush. Okay? So, you are waiting for the graham crackers to get very, very soggy. And so, while they are getting very soggy, why don't we create a song about mush mush? So, once upon a time, there was a boy who was so lonely, and he wondered what to do with his life. He knew that he hadn't amounted to much, but he was introduced to a food, and that food changed his life, and it was called mush mush. Mush mush. So we're about halfway there. So now we could probably get to the chorus. And if we add the milk, then the crackers will begin to soak. And if the crackers get very soggy, they'll get just perfect. Oh, and then you will get mush mush. Mush mush. We're about 75% there, everybody. I know what you're wondering. How long is this going to go? So then let's go to the bridge of the song. And don't you worry about all the people saying, how can you eat crackers like that? You know what? Some people are just judgmental. But I'm not one of those people. I judge people in my head. So that doesn't count. I judge people in private. You judge people in public. So I think we are very close to having mush mush. It helps too if you... Oh, sorry, we're still in the middle of the song. You ignore those people who are giving you grief. You know that they are going to say this and that and such. But they will never know the joy of eating mush mush. Mush mush. All right. So, then you go. You've got it. Still, honestly, the crackers are like they're still a little bit too crunchy. You want them. Oh, here's a good one. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Boom! Just something about it. Just sets the day off right, I tell you. You okay, hon? Maybe you got excited, caught up too fast, apparently. Oh, the mush makes it feel so good. I encourage you to try it. So go to your local grocery store, get some graham crackers, then get some milk, put it on, let the crackers just soak up the milk until you get what appears to be gross graham crackers, what you think would be gross. And then, tastes so good. Enjoy. Mush.